Hello everyone. Welcome back to Think in English. If you're new here, I'm Sarah and I help people learn English in a fun and easy way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our lessons. Today, we're going to practice a common situation, ordering food at a restaurant. We'll keep it slow and simple, perfect for beginners. Let's learn together. Good evening. Welcome to Luigi's restaurant. Table for two. Yes, please. Right this way, please. Here's your table. Would you like to see our menu? Yes, thank you. Here you are. I'll give you a few minutes to look it over. Would you like something to drink while you decide? Could I have a glass of water, please? Of course. And for you, sir? I'll have a lemonade, please. Perfect. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order? Yes, I think so. What's today's special? Today's special is grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and rice. That sounds good. I'll have that, please. Excellent choice. And for you, sir? I'd like the chicken pasta, please. Is it spicy? No, it's not spicy, but we can add some chili if you'd like. No, thank you. Regular is fine. Would you like any appetizers? Yes, we'll share a garden salad, please. Perfect. So that's one garden salad to share, one grilled salmon special, and one chicken pasta. I'll bring your salad shortly. How was everything? Everything was delicious, thank you. Yes, very good. Would you like to see the dessert menu? No, thank you. Just the check, please. Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here's your check. You can pay at the counter when you're ready. Thank you for everything. You're welcome. Have a great evening. And that's it, everyone. Now you know how to handle a basic restaurant conversation in English. Let's review some key phrases we learned today. Table for two. Could I have? What's today's special? Would you like? The check, please. Practice these phrases, and you'll feel more confident next time you're at an English-speaking restaurant. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our new lessons. Leave a comment below telling me what situation you'd like to learn next. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in our next lesson. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're in this together.
Bye.